In this video, we'll show you how to turn on secure boot on your HP laptop. So for this, first shut down your HP laptop completely. Once it is off, you will need to press the power button, and as soon as you press the power button, keep hitting the escape key repeatedly. So let's try that. First press the power button and then keep pressing the escape key repeatedly. You'll see this startup menu. Here you will need to press F10 to enter BIOS setup. So we'll just go ahead and press the F10 key on the keyboard. Once you do, you should see this BIOS menu. Here you won't see your mouse, so you will have to use your keyboard's arrow key to move between the options. So first go to the system configuration tab at the top. Go down and then select this boot options menu. Here you will need to go down again and you will see this secure boot option. Simply press enter and you can set it to enable. So as you can see, it's already enabled on my PC. Finally, you will need to press F10 to save and exit. So we'll just press F10. Finally hit enter to confirm and your HP laptop will boot with secure boot enable. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.